Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight game not launching or not opening, showing black screen error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first thing what you have to do is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, and after that go to the install files, and here click on verify integrity of game files. So just click on it and wait for some time. And once the game files are verified, after that launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, and now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check whether it's working now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description, and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, just go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to click on it to open. After that, you will get repair or install option. Click on it. Now wait for some time. Once this is completed, now restart your PC, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to check for a Windows update. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update, click on check for updates, and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to a latest version, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to change launch option. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, from here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. From here you have to select the game whether your game is listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game from here and make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. If not, and after trying all the above methods, if the game still doesn't open or it simply crashes or showing other issues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam again, reinstall Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.